your tab bar on scroll in iOS 26. So this is a new feature, so you need to have Xcode 26 minimum installed for this to work. And just create a native iOS application, and this is using UI kit, so I'm not using Swift UI. This is a UI kit feature. Obviously this can be achieved with Swift UI as well, but if you want to achieve this using UI kit, that's what this video is about. So yeah, let's get started now. I think the application is still building on my simulator. Let's just wait for a second for it to build, and so that things will. So here you can see, now here I have just taken one list, and if I scroll down here, you can see this is how our tab bar minimizes, and if I scroll up, it automatically maximizes as well. And suppose if it is minimized, I can just click on this as well to maximize as well. So yeah, this is what the behavior is. So I have just created a native iOS application. Then what I did was, inside our view controller, I have just extended it from UI tab bar controller. Then here you need to add this inside view did load tab bar minimize behavior is equal to on scroll down. Then here we have this home view controller as well as settings view controller. Then here we set two tab bar items, home as well as settings, and here I have created two navigation controller, one for home VC which we had initialized and one for settings VC, and we just add it to our view controllers array. That's it. Then I have just created one home view controller, so here it can be anything, right? I have just taken one UI scroll view, one UI stack view, and then here you can see I have set some title. Then we are calling this methods inside view did load. Then here we add the scroll view to our parent view, and here we set some NS layout constraints as well, and over for this particular content stack view as well. And here we are setting up the content, we just looping over it. We have 10-20 labels. That's it. Okay, and settings view controller is pretty simple, like just title of settings. That's it. So yeah, that's how you can minimize tab bar on scroll. Thank you for watching. Bye.